Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Signing with Omar. Today is part 5 of the ongoing series, UnCommon ASL Signs. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first sign we're going to do today is apropos, and that's basically saying that something is perfectly synced or perfectly matched. And so the sign for perfect is that, but we're not going to do that. We're going to do something with a little twist that with the sign match. But what you're going to do is, let me show you that from the side, and once again from the front, showing that it's perfectly in sync or perfectly matched. That's the sign for apropos. The next sign we're going to do is cataclysmic, and basically you're saying something is beyond awful or terrible. It's extremely awful or terrible. So you would do the sign awful and you would do the sign disaster. So let me show you what that looks like. One more time from the side. That is the sign cataclysmic. The next sign is egalitarianism, and that's basically everyone's included or everyone votes. So let me show you what that looks like. One more time. And basically what I did was I said all, A-L-L, in a circular motion, and the sign vote. So let me show you that. That is how you sign egalitarianism. All right, this next sign is high regard or highly regard. And when you highly regard someone, you have a lot of honor or you have a lot of respect. Either or. Let me show you what that looks like from the side. That's honor with H's or respect with R's. Either one is fine. That is how you sign high regard. The next sign we're going to do is indulgence. And basically there's two ways that I can show you how to sign indulgence. The first is being fully immersed and enjoyment. So you basically take the non-dominant C, turn it on its side, and you take the dominant H or U and you kind of bend it as if you're diving backwards and you're going deep down into it. And then you sign the sign enjoyment. So let me show you that one more time. That's one way of signing indulgence. Another way of signing it is basically you're saying this is the top of the line enjoyment. One more time, let me show you. That is two ways of signing indulgence. All right, this next sign we're going to do is integrity. Now with integrity, you can use the same sign that you use for highly regard with saying honor or respect. Either one's fine. However, there's one other way of signing integrity, and that's having confidence in someone's skill. Let me show you what that looks like from the side. Basically, this is the sign confidence, and this is the sign skill. So you can use that, either the honor or respect or the confidence in their skill level. Depending on the situation, you have that choice. The next sign we're going to do is sedentary. And when you think of someone who's sedentary, they're not very physically active on a daily basis. So what I would do is I would sign every, meaning every day. Look at my face, kind of like I'm showing I'm lazy. I'm just sitting here not doing much. So let me show you that one more time. That is how you sign sedentary. The next sign we're going to do is underpinning. I've also heard the word underpining. So either or, however you're comfortable in pronouncing that. Basically, that's saying that you have a foundation. So I would do the sign foundation. You would take the non-dominant hand and you would form the same sign as if you were doing the sign table, but you would make a fist. Then you would take the dominant hand, make a fist out of that, starting from the elbow up underneath, bring that to starting from the wrist, bring that to the elbow. So let me show you that one more time. That is the sign underpinning or pining. Basically, you're saying that there's a foundation. Now, this is my list of uncommon ASL signs today. If you did learn something, do me a favor. Hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification button, and stay tuned for my next video of Uncommon ASL Signs.